Hi everybody, it's Robin. I am here with Compassionista. We are going to do a chevron French, and I have started the tutorial with a self-made French manicure using a Wet n Wild polish, and I'm going over with a traditional Christmas or Valentine red. I am going to show you guys that you kind of dot in to the corner and then take your brush and pull to the middle like this. Try and get 1.5 to 2 coats on the tips, but mostly you want to make sure that the tip is very much sealed on the end. You don't have to pay a very high price for any of these polishes. The cheaper the better, but a real classic red. Okay, so I have my liner brush out, and it is called the Unicorn, robinmosesnailart.com. And I have Juicy and the baby here with me. So now I'm distracted. Distracted! Jay-Sean! I'm going to teach you how to do that. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
Oh no.
Yes, I did it. I knew that would make her laugh. That was all for Juicy. Compassionista, you're sitting here laughing at me. Here we go. So I have gold paint on my liner brush. I may have to do some editing. And I'm taking this and dotting and then going in and turning the nail to the center. Now this used to be so popular in the 90s, and I know you guys are like into the 90s retro thing right now, so this is what we used to do all the time. It takes some time to get it down, but once you get it down, boy, you can do anything. So that was how you do it. Now I am going to take my liner brush, wherever it is, and every single night I put my liner brush away and it's dirty, right? It has like a polish on from yesterday, you see the glitter? And I take my acetone and I open it, and then I just take it and I roll it in a circle. I do not scrub it, but I get it nice and soaked, and then I lightly get all the glitter out of it from the night before and make sure not to mess with the neck too harshly. And then I turn it in a circle back and forth like this. Never scrub. See right here? That is what caused 1,000,000 brushes deaths. Those kill brushes. So now I know my brush is clean because when I wipe it on the paper towel, it's not going to have any residue. Residue. Jay-Sean. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of gold, green, and brown. Let me show you. Like this. And onto the lines, I'm going to just mix a little tiny bit of green with that gold, and it just pulls up just enough. Just enough. That's just an accent. I'm going to do it on this nail as well, so it's on 2 accent nails. This was also big in the 90s, where you do the finger, that's the ring finger and the pointer finger. Highly requested. So for those of you guys who are trying to like go retro and go 100% retro, this was absolutely part of it. So I'm going to go in there, let that dry, and meet you back. Am I recording?
Or like my mom likes to say, lipstick always helps.
Yeah, I think I'm recording. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Am I? Yeah, I think I am. Okay, so I'm going in with a little bit of red and white mixed together, and I'm going into this area right here where they kind of mix. Then with my brush, see how it has like a little knot of paint on it? I'm pushing once, pushing twice, pushing once, pushing twice, pushing once, pushing twice, like that. Now, If you're covering a large area, this would crack, but you're not. You're just doing a little tiny bit. And this one bead of paint, if you get it on perfectly, you can make all of the hearts that you need to make. But if you need to pull from there again, you can just go in again and try again. And this is a technique. I'm not drawing the hearts. I'm dotting 2 in, and then I'm pushing down. And 2 and 2. And that, I think I'm going to put this out for one of my first Valentine's tutorials this year, because once you get the technique for the heart, it saves you so much time. And I'm showing you that even after 20 years, you sometimes have to take one off every once in a while. I mean, it is what it is. So there's the little dots, touch them together and pull. And as you pull your brush, you pull it up off the nail, and as you pull it up off the nail, you get a point on the end of the heart. So I finished like that, very simple. When I'm finished and the top coat's on, it looks like this, and I will finish this design now. Okay, so here is the end result of a very simple and very beautiful and elegant Valentine design that is so fun to do. If you try this type of heart, I'm telling you, it is so easy, and it's what, like, if you guys are doing stuff on Instagram where you do some kind of collaboration and you guys do this and use this design, I would like to be tagged so I can see your guys' work for the holiday. Anyways, tag me Inspired by Robin Moses or at Robin Moses Nail Art. Get brushes at robinmosesnailart.com, and I will be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm going to have probably a couple extra days to get tutorials in, so if you have any ideas that you'd like to see me paint for the holiday, please leave them in the description box below, and I think I will have enough time to get 1 or 2 in before the holiday. So anyways, everybody have a great Valentine's Day, and I'll see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.
Juicy.
Bye.
Jay Sean.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day.